In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your Overstock credit card in 25 step by step. To get started, go to the Overstock website and access the Overstock credit card account management page. The card is currently issued by Comenity Capital Bank, also known as Bread Financial, so you may be redirected to their login and payment portal. Once you're on the correct page, sign in using your username and password. Make sure you're on the official site before entering any account information, especially if you're accessing it from a search result. After you log in, look for the payments section or a button that says Make a Payment. This is where you'll be able to view and manage your upcoming payment. Before moving forward, take a moment to review your account details. You should see your current balance, your minimum payment due, and the due date. This is helpful because it lets you confirm exactly how much you need to pay and when the payment needs to be submitted. If this is your first time making a payment through the portal, you'll need to add a bank account. Enter your checking or savings account information carefully, including the routing number and account number. Double check these details before saving them, because even a small mistake could delay your payment. Once everything looks correct, save the payment method so it's available for future payments and makes the process faster next time. Next, choose the payment amount that works for you. In most cases, you'll be given several options, including the minimum payment, the statement balance, the current balance, or a custom amount. If you want to avoid late fees, it's important to pay at least the minimum payment by the due date. If you're trying to reduce interest charges, paying the statement balance or more may be the better choice. Once you've selected the amount, choose the date you want the payment to be made. Some people prefer to pay immediately, while others schedule the payment for a date closer to the due date. Either option can work, as long as you review the timing carefully. Before submitting, look over all the payment details one more time. Confirm the bank account, the amount, and the payment date. When everything is correct, click Submit Payment to complete the process. After the payment goes through, save the confirmation number for your records. That's a simple but important step, in case you ever need to verify that the payment was submitted successfully. And that's how to pay your Overstock credit card online in 2025.